In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue with Linkvertise when it displays the invalid visit detected error. This problem often arises due to specific browser settings or corrupted data. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step to ensure smooth browsing on Linkvertise. We'll start by ensuring that essential browser features like cookies and JavaScript are enabled, as Linkvertise requires both to function correctly. Let's dive right in. First, we need to enable cookies in your browser, particularly if you're using Google Chrome. Cookies are small pieces of data stored on your device that help websites track and remember your preferences. To turn them on, simply open your browser and type in the address bar, Chrome, Settings, Cookies. This should take you directly to the Cookies settings page. Once there, make sure the option to allow cookies is selected. This setting is crucial because without it, certain functionalities on websites, including Linkvertise, may not work properly. Next, we'll enable JavaScript, another vital setting that needs to be active for Linkvertise to operate. JavaScript is a programming language that makes websites interactive and responsive. In most cases, it's already enabled by default. However, if you're facing issues, double-check to ensure it's turned on. You can find this setting by navigating through Google Chrome's options or by searching for JavaScript in the settings search bar. Again, make sure it's allowed to run, which should help eliminate any issues related to page functionality. Now that we've covered enabling cookies and JavaScript, let's move on to clearing cookies and cache data. Corrupted session data is a frequent cause of the invalid visit detected error. Clearing this data can provide a fresh start and eliminate potential sources of the error. If you're using Chrome or Edge, the process is straightforward. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This will open a dialog box where you can select what data you'd like to clear. Be sure to check the boxes for both cookies and cached images and files. These are the primary components that may need refreshing. Once selected, hit Clear Data and give it a moment to process. After clearing the cookies and cache, it's advisable to restart your browser. This step ensures all changes take effect completely and provides a clean slate for you to start fresh with Linkvertise. Simply close the browser window and open a new one. Once everything is set, go ahead and try accessing Linkvertise again. With these adjustments, the invalid visit detected problem should be resolved, allowing you to browse with ease. Thank you for following along in this video. By adjusting the settings we've discussed, you should no longer encounter issues with Linkvertise. If challenges persist, consider checking for browser updates or trying a different browser as a last resort. Hopefully these tips have helped, and your Linkvertise experience is now smoother and more enjoyable.